Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. What do you know, 2 videos in 1 week. I think I'm on a roll. Alright, so for today's video, I have a couple of unboxings. I have a coach reveal. I'm also going to talk to you guys about, I'm getting a lot of questions lately about my weight loss. So I was going to go ahead and talk to you guys about that. And then we'll do the reveals and the unboxings. If you want to see what all I have to share with you, stick around. Alright, before we get started, you know we're going to start out with my bag of the week. I plan on carrying this bag all week until probably the weekend. And it is my Louis Vuitton Palm Spring backpack. I absolutely love this backpack. I haven't carried it, well, maybe in a few months. So I have on this beautiful Louis Vuitton charm. And then this charm, I absolutely love it. It was a gift from Winnie LV. And this is such an easy bag to carry. You know, I liked the look of this bag before I ever bought it. But what stopped me, I just didn't like this look. But you guys, this is the most comfortable backpack you could ever own. The straps are so soft. It's like a big old pillow. Yeah, so I thought I'm gonna get this out and carry her. I'm trying to rotate all of my bags and use my bags. I mean, I'm pretty good about it, but I'm trying to use them like at least all week, because not just a day or two, just like really use them and enjoy them. And this is a really, really great everyday bag. All right, so let's go ahead and get into the video. I've had so many questions lately, and I've had people message me wanting to know what I've done to lose weight. So we're going to go ahead and talk about that for a bit, and then we'll get started on the reveal and the 2 unboxings. How have I lost weight? So I've lost about 30 pounds. I'm not at my goal yet. I want to lose another 8 pounds because I want to have some playroom. I weigh about 143 to 145 pounds now. Now, I know some people might say, well, you don't need to lose any more weight. Well, that's kind of a personal thing, because for me, I've never been overweight, but I've always been a little bit heavier than I wanted to be, because I'm only 5'2", 2-ish, something like that. I've always been, like my sister and I, when we were growing up, she was really skinny and I was always the thick one. But I have lost about 30 pounds and I've kept it off. I started because I could not get into any of my jeans. So I was just wearing leggings all the time and overalls. Like, I couldn't wear my jeans. Really, the bottom line is I just was not comfortable with myself. And that's what it's about. If you're not comfortable with yourself and you feel like you want to make a change, I think that's the most important thing. You know, some people are heavier and they're very comfortable with themselves and they're happy with themselves, and that's fine as long as we're healthy. But my blood pressure was up. Not only that, like I said, I was not comfortable with myself, because when you start outgrowing your clothes, in my case, I feel like I need to do something. So I started out just, you know, cutting back. I started out really trying to do the intermittent fasting. I know Winnie LV does that and she's very successful with it, but that's really hard for me. It's really hard for me to go like 12 hours without eating anything. And I'm not really a foodie. I never have been. Like, I've always replaced meals with protein shakes. I've been doing this since before my daughter was born. So I'm not really a big eater, but I like to snack on things. And I started out by cutting back, and I used to drink just regular pop. Well, I'm from Michigan, so everybody laughs when I call it that. So Coke was my drink of choice. So I started drinking Coke Zero, started drinking a lot of water. I drink a lot of water. I just kind of started that way. Well, a friend of mine, she was on Mounjaro, and she gave me a box. And now don't come at me. She gave me a box and there were like 4 injections in it. I mean, I'm just going to be 100% honest with you guys. I did take 4 Mounjaro injections, but not every week. Like, because they kind of threw me for a loop. I took the first one, and I think 2 weeks later I took another one, and then maybe like a month later. Like, I wasn't taking them every week like a lot of people do, but for me it worked. Like, it helped jumpstart my dieting. I got off about 10 or 12 pounds and I got really motivated. So my jeans were comfortable again. I just wanted to continue. So the rest of the time, I've just done it on my own. I very seldom eat sweets. And when I do, it's just a bite. Like the other day, I ate one of those little fun Snickers, and that's all I want. Like, I don't even crave that kind of stuff anymore. I think it was just, I was ready. And I did have the jump start, okay? I did. I'm just being 100% honest. And, you know, I'd even asked my doctor, and I wasn't approved for it. I can't get approved for something like that. And now, I mean, I wouldn't do it anyway. It did help kickstart my weight loss. I would say Mounjaro is a good thing, okay? I know there's a lot of controversy around it, and I haven't taken it long enough to be any kind of expert, but it really did help me lose about the first 12 pounds. The rest of it, I've just done it myself because I don't take diet pills. I haven't even exercised. I mean, and I do want to incorporate exercise like walking, but I hate to exercise. We have a full gym in our basement, you guys, but I think I might start rowing, maybe using my elliptical, but I haven't done any of that stuff. So it's not diet and exercise. It was just really cutting back. My blood pressure is perfect now, and I'm comfortable with myself now. And if I didn't lose any more weight, I guess that would be fine. I just feel like when I do get up to 145, I'm inching back up. Because like the other day I weighed 145, and the day before, which this is ridiculous, you guys. I know, water weight, you don't have to, you know, tell me all this because I know. I was like, oh no, yesterday I was 143, today I'm 144, 145. I just want some wiggle room. So that's why I do want to lose a little more weight. I just want to be comfortable with myself, and I, most of all, want to be healthy. And so that's really it. And I do want to incorporate some exercise. So, but that's what I've done. I mean, basically just cut back, and I just don't eat them. I just don't eat a lot, you guys. And I just say do what works for you. So that's what I've done. And if you have any other questions, feel free to ask them in the comment section below. But don't scold me and lecture me because because I've had people do that in my personal life. Oh, you need to be eating more. Well, I'm doing what works for me. I'm really happy with my weight loss, and I am going to try to get off another 8 to 10 pounds, and then I'll be done. So that's what I've done. All right, guys, so I've shown you my bag of the week. I shared with you what I'm doing to lose weight, and now let's get to the good stuff. Now, let's get to the fun part. All right, so I did order this, and I had been looking at it and thinking, I don't need anything else from that collection. But then I said, yes, I do. I love it, you guys. I've never had a beauty case like this. Look how pretty. I thought it might be a little bit bigger, but what I really want it for, it's the perfect size because I just want to put all my lippies in it. And I thought it doesn't matter that it's not quite as large as I thought. It will hold all my lippies. The zipper is just so buttery. So on the inside, it has like a little compartment here. It has like these little bands around that you can kind of stick lipstick, stand them up. I'm probably just gonna layer my lippies in there and just leave it sitting on my bathroom counter. It's so pretty. I loved this collection, you guys, and I got quite a few things from it. And I'm really glad that I went back and got this. And I love it, you guys. It is so pretty. It almost makes me want to carry it as a little handbag, but I probably won't. I just love it though. So this is my Coach reveal. All right, I kind of feel like Dee Dee Bean right now. I'm having a Dee Dee Bean moment. You know how she will unbox things and not know what's in there? She just cracks me up, you guys. I don't really know what's in these two boxes. I think I know maybe what's in this box because I can't imagine why it would be in the bigger box. The bigger box, I really can't remember. That's how bad I've been. Okay, let's not make excuses, okay? It is what it is. All right, so I feel like I know what's in here. So let's go ahead and unbox this. And while I'm unboxing it, I was wondering, what do you guys think about the new collection, Coach Outlet collection? I think it's really pretty, the little pastel bags. And I've been looking at the website. I even stayed up, you guys. I stayed up till midnight, fell asleep on the couch, got up, checked out the website, and then gave up and went to bed. but I haven't ordered anything. I thought I was going to. I just feel like something's coming down the pike for Valentine. I feel like red or pink sparkly. Like, I don't know. I don't know. But I'm expecting something big. This is just me, you guys. But as far as this new collection from Coach, I'm thinking about the Rowan. I also kind of want that little notebook. It's so cute. Hopefully it all sells out before I get it. All right, guys, here we go. Here we go. Oh, yep, it's what I thought. They had it. Look how Coach packages things. Look at this. Take note, Louie. They've got it in the little dust bag with a little pillow. I love that. Okay, yeah, this is exactly what I thought it was. Let me show you what I got. But the other one, I have no clue. I'm excited to see this in person. It is the little candy charm. So I heard this charm was heavy, and they're not kidding. It is a pretty heavy charm. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh my gosh. It makes me feel like I need the Rowan. Would this not be cute on the Rowan? Okay. Look how pretty. I love it. I got it to go on my tabby, even though it really doesn't need it. There's nothing like a good Coach charm, you guys. I always say I'm not a big charm person. I feel like I'm charming it up a lot lately. Now, I always take this ring off and just put it away. I think they went ahead and put this on the Coach outlet website because it would look really pretty with the Rowan and the Molly tote and the City tote. This is just absolutely gorgeous, you guys. There have been little Coach charms that I wanted in the past, and I just let them get by me. Kind of regret it. Of course, we can't buy everything. I mean, I say that all the time. I'm like, oh, I should have got it. I regret it. But, I mean, we just can't buy everything. Or can we? Or can we? Oh, it's so sparkly. Beautiful. All right, so let's open the mystery box. Oh my gosh, just call me Dee Dee Bean. It's really fun to watch her when she's doing that because she's as surprised as we are. Gotta love Dee Dee. And when I see it, then I'll remember, I'm sure. Okay. Okay, so here we are. I may have a couple of other things trickling. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, okay. This is the other item that I ordered with the charm. I don't know. The last time I checked, it hasn't shipped. Maybe I missed that email. Okay, wait till you see this one. Wait until you see. I'm a Rexy fan, you guys. Do you guys know who Minnie Pearl is? That tells how old I am. Okay, so look how cute. Oh my gosh, I love this. I couldn't help myself. I had to have Rexy, the Rexy hat, because it was black and just kind of, you know, no sparkles, nothing like that. Just a cute little Rexy. So cute. I'll tell you what I do regret not getting. I should have gotten the snow globe because I do collect those. And I've seen several people that have unboxed them lately and I'm like, darn it. Because I really did mean to buy that. But anyway, I'm really excited about these two items. Especially this. I mean, I love this, but this is so cute, you guys. Right down my alley. All right, so I don't know if I'll get something from the new collection or not. I mean, I keep looking at it. So let's keep our eyes open and see what Coach does for Valentine's, because like I'm saying, I've said it to my friends, I feel like something's coming down the pike. I told Dee Dee, I was like, let's be watching because we need to be ready. If they come out with some red sparkle, you know Dee Dee Bean is going to be there for it. And me too. I love red. I don't wear as much red as she does, and I really should because we're both kind of the same coloring. I just have a feeling something spectacular is coming down the pike at Coach for Valentine's. So we shall see. All right, guys. So I'm super excited with all the things that I got. This is so cute. All right, guys, so I have a video. I'm working on an upcoming video, my 2026 luxury wish list. And I'm trying to be very, you know, mindful and thoughtful about what I'm putting on the list, because of course I won't get all this stuff, but there are a few things that I would like to get in 2026. Let me know in the comment section below what you are hoping for in 2026. Of course, we all hope for happiness, health, and for our families to be healthy and happy, but I'm talking about all this frivolous stuff, and it is frivolous. I'm not gonna lie, but it does give me a lot of joy. Yeah, that's what life's all about, being happy, and as long as you're responsible, why not, right? Okay, so anyway, that's all for today's video. I'm excited. I'm excited about the new year, and I'm hoping that the new year brings you much health and happiness and joy. So I'll see you guys again very soon. Peace.